a tutor here at mathsandenglish.net, and in today's video we're going to be going through using the sum of angles in a triangle. So guys, this is the first example and we're going to start off with a pretty easy one today. So we know that this angle right here is 60 degrees, this angle right here is 60 degrees, and then we need to know what this angle is up here. So guys, all of these angles, this 60 plus whatever this is, will add up to 180 degrees. And why this first example is pretty easy is because this is an equilateral triangle. So an equilateral triangle means when all angles are the same and all sides are the same. So knowing all angles are the same, that we should be able to identify that if this one is 60 degrees and this one is 60 degrees, then this one also has to be 60 degrees. Now guys, we're going to move on to this one. So this one's a little bit more complicated because this one isn't an equilateral triangle, so not all the angles are the same, but we still have been given two angles and we still know that the total is equal to 180 degrees. So guys, we need to know what this angle is up here, and we're going to call this angle X. So this angle up here is known as X. So we know this angle and we know that this angle is 20 degrees. So this angle right here is a 90-degree angle. So if you ever see something like this, know that that means that it is a 90-degree angle. Now, how would we work out what this X is? So we know that all of it is equal to 180 degrees. All three angles plus together is equal to 180 degrees. So we know that 20 degrees plus the 90 degrees, because that's a right angle is 90 degrees, and then plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So guys, what we need to do now is to get X by itself. So the easiest way to get X by itself is minusing 20 degrees from this side and then minusing 90 degrees as well from this side. And then obviously guys, we have to do that as well on the other side of the equation. So minus 20 and then with minus 90 as well. Then guys, all we're left with is that X is equal to a 70-degree angle. So now we know that X is equal to 70 degrees. So guys, this is the final triangle we're going to look at today. So we've got two angles that we need to find out here. We've got the X over here, and then we've also got an X over here. So guys, we've got this 100-degree angle up here, but then we've got this X here and this X here. We know that the X's are equal to the same amount, but we don't know what the amount is yet. So guys, what I want you to do is pause the video and try and find out what X is equal to. So guys, what we know is we know that 180 degrees is equal to all of these three angles plus together. So it would be 100 degrees plus 2x. All we'd have to do is plus 2x because we know that the x's are the same. So it would be plus 2x. So then guys, what we'd do is minus 100 degrees from each side. Then guys, we'd be left with 2x is equal to 80 degrees. So guys, that is what both of these two x's plus together is equal, but we need to work out what each of them are individually. So what we'd do is we'd divide this side by 2, and we'd also divide this 80 by 2 as well. So guys, then we'd be left with x is equal to 40 degrees. So guys, there is the video of how to use the sum of angles in a triangle. If it did help you, make sure you leave a like on the video and also subscribe to the channel.